The mandrill, or Mandrillus sphinx, is a species of large monkey that lives in the rainforests and plateaus of Cameroon, Gabon, Equatorial Guinea and Congo. They have olive to dark gray fur, a white stomach, and distinctive coloration on the face. A long pink strip runs down the middle of their muzzle to their nostrils, with blue pads on either side. They also have a yellow beard. Mandrill males are much larger than, and look very different from, females, with extremely bright colors on their faces and hindquarters. Males measure between 75 and 95 centimeters, weighing 19 to 40 kilograms, whereas females average between 55 and 66 centimeters and weigh 15 to 30 kilograms. Mandrills are classified as a vulnerable species, and while it is not known how many of them are left in the wild, their numbers are thought to be declining significantly. One threat is habitat loss due to deforestation of the rainforests in which they live. However, their greatest threat is hunting. In areas such as Gabon, humans consider the mandrill as a prime meat. Reserves have been established to protect some of these rainforests, but little is known about the mandrill populations, and as a result they are often overlooked. Much more research and further wildlife surveys are needed. Mandrills are social animals and live in large groups in the wild. This large group is often divided into smaller subgroups made up of related females, their offspring, and one alpha male. Beta males live on the edges of groups until they become mature enough to be chosen as the alpha by a group of females. Both sexes have a dominance hierarchy. Dominant males can be identified by the bright colors on their faces and hindquarters, whereas dominant females have had the most infants. Mandrill females will mate with their group's alpha male as well as the solitary beta males, but the alpha male will almost always be the one to father their young. He will also aggressively fend off rival males when females are in estrus. A female mandrill will be pregnant for 4.5 months before giving birth to a single infant, which is closely cared for by their mother until they are 1 year old, at which point they start to gain some independence. Juveniles stay close to their mothers until they are 6 years old, then males will leave their group to become solitary beta males, while females remain with their mother.
Tapunoma. My pen.